wrong, we better get it right. Because we might not be enlightened yet and we'll have a next birth. Next birth, our habits might just continue on, whatever we may be in the next birth. So this mother was now a hungry ghost, and she was still as stingy as ever. So she went and hid, she covered the bowl with her hand and started eating by herself. But as you know, hungry ghosts, they describe, they have a very thin neck and a very large stomach. Yeah? That's how they describe the hungry ghosts. So when the food went down, it turned into burning charcoal. Burned her, her throat. It turned into burning charcoal and it never reached her stomach. So she was crying and crying and crying. So she was so greedy, she ate but the food never reached her stomach. So when Mahavajjana saw that, he was very, very sad. Looks like he cannot even help his mother. So he went back to the Buddha and asked for advice. And the story goes that the Buddha says, well, since your mother is like that, you can't help her there, what you do now is, you make a big offering to the Sangha, to the Mahasangha, invite all the important ones, make a big offering, and transfer the merits to her. So that's what he did. Okay? So he made a big offering to the Mahasangha and he transferred the merits to her. She felt the merits because as a hungry ghost, she is still very much linked to her son. The thoughts are still linked. So she felt happy because her son did that for her, and it seems she was transported, reborn into a bacterium. So that's the legend, legendary, okay? So it's not up to us to ask, did it really happen? Who knows? None of us were there. So we're not questioning whether it's true or not. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not so true. As I said, like Snow White and Seven Dwarfs, real or not, we don't know, but there's a lesson to learn in it, isn't it? Isn't that more important? Let's learn the lesson from this story, okay? Let's not question true or not. Nobody knows. So what's the lesson we learned there? The mother, remember, habitual tendencies. Whatever habitual tendencies we carry with us now, we develop now, probably will carry on to our next life. So since we are humans and then we can rationalize and know what is right and wrong, let's learn all the right things so that next life will be better than what we are this life. Okay? And the other thing is, do not be stingy, don't be like the mother, eat less fish roll. Now that you know. Okay, so that is the story that led to the Ulambana festival. Alright, so the Ulambana festival is celebrated in a lot of countries.